Okay, this place is incredible for 150 bucks a night. Like, look at this view. I could ski out there. They have 2 boats here, but no ski. Look at this place. Amazing. You can actually just jump off here. Little platform to jump off. Hang out in those chaises. Again, I'm the only guest here. Although it is early for check-in, so maybe there's people coming. But it's Sunday night, so I'm not so sure. Look at, there's a pool up there. Those 3 rooms at the top, plus, yeah, just 3 rooms at the top there. Actually, 2 down below, I see that. I'm not in any of those 5. I didn't choose the $250 room. I'm at the back, looking to the left with a garden view, but hey, the room's amazing, and it's a nice garden view, and I can just come down here and do a little bit of work, or just hang out and have a beer. I got my own personal beer fridge there. How about that? Yeah, this traveling on a motorcycle through South and Central America just fucking sucks. I hate it. I want to go home. I rode in on some rain, but only for like the last 10 minutes, so it wasn't a big deal. Piles of water. Oh, it's quite refreshing. Kiddie pool. Yeah. Gonna stay one night, check out the weather tomorrow. If it's good, I'm gonna go ride for an hour up to the parking lot for the Volcano, and then hike 2 hours up and 2 hours down, and then come back and hang out by the pool, ideally. So hopefully the weather cooperates tomorrow and I can do that. Good morning, everyone. So I've just taken the 45-minute ride up from the hotel to the Santa Ana Volcano staging area. So there's two staging areas. This one that I'm at is called the Glass House, and it's a little bit further. And if you start at the lower one, you actually have to walk down and then up. So I was recommended by two nice ladies at the hotel to come to this one so that I don't have to walk down before I walk up. So I'm here. It's called the Glass House, Casa de Cristal. And however, I'm the only person here, and I have to wait for a group because you have to go with a guide. And if it's just me, I have to pay the full price for the group, which is like 45 bucks. So I'm waiting for a group to lower the price for me. So hopefully that'll happen. If not, I could get on the bike and ride back down to the other location, but I'm not really sure. That might be too risky because I might miss all the groups, and they only run in the morning because it's 4 to 5 hours up, and then 4 to 5 hours round trip, and they want to make sure everyone gets down before dark, of course. So I think the last group that goes up is around 10, but obviously things change depending on weather and size of groups and stuff. So anyway, I'm waiting here, and hopefully some more people show up, and it can lower the price for me. Otherwise I'm paying the 45 bucks. Anyway, it's a beautiful morning. There are some clouds up here. Actually, the clouds have just lifted, which is amazing. Yeah, which is great. So it was shrouded in clouds when I came up. So good. So hopefully it stays this way. And I've got some water and some nuts and some suntan lotion and a jacket, because apparently it'll be a lot cooler up there. I didn't bring my rain jacket. I kind of just rolled the dice. So hopefully it doesn't rain. And yeah, pretty excited about this hike. It's one of the most popular things to do in El Salvador. So yeah, I'm doing it. So yeah, 4 more people just showed up. So that's lowered my price significantly. The ice cream man, carrying all this ice cream to the top for us hikers. Hola, amigo.
Hola, buenos días.
Santa Ana Volcano is a large stratovolcano located in the Santa Ana department of El Salvador, and it sits at 7,812 feet above sea level. It last erupted in 2005.